Welcome to this in-depth review of Line2, a virtual phone number service that markets itself as the perfect solution for small businesses and professionals who need a second number. Right off the bat, Line2 offers features like unlimited calling and texting within the US and Canada, Wi-Fi calling, voicemail transcription, and call forwarding. On paper, it looks impressive, but let's dive in and see how it holds up in real use. The user interface is straightforward but not exactly modern. After logging in, you're taken to a dashboard that shows recent calls, messages, and voicemails. Everything is laid out clearly, but the design feels dated. Setting up a second number is relatively simple. You choose your area code and then select a number from a short list of options. There aren't many customization features, which might be a downside for users looking for a personalized touch. Sending and receiving texts works as expected, though there can be slight delays when your network connection is weak. Call quality is generally clear on Wi-Fi, but when switching between mobile data and Wi-Fi, there are occasional drops. I experienced a few calls that didn't go through, especially when traveling between network zones. Many useful links you can find in the description. Line2 also allows you to set business hours, enabling call routing and auto responses outside those hours. This feature is solid and helps maintain professionalism, especially for freelancers and small business owners. Another notable feature is voicemail transcription, which works reasonably well, although it's not always accurate with names or technical terms. One thing to note is that customer support is only available via chat or email. There's no live phone support. Response times vary, and in my case, it took over 24 hours to get a reply to a billing question. That can be frustrating, especially if you're relying on this service for your business communications. The mobile app works similarly to the desktop version, though I did notice a few bugs. For example, the app sometimes crashes when switching from landscape to portrait mode. Notifications for missed calls and new texts also appear inconsistently, which might be a problem if you need to respond quickly. In terms of pricing, Line2 starts at $15.99 per month. While that's competitive, the value you get depends on how heavily you use it. There's a 7-day free trial, but be aware that it requires a credit card, and cancellation isn't as smooth as it should be. I had to go through multiple steps to cancel my trial, which felt unnecessary. Overall, Line2 is a decent service for those looking for a no-frills second phone line. It gets the job done, but there are trade-offs in terms of design, reliability, and support. If you need something simple and affordable, Line2 could work for you. But if you prioritize advanced features, seamless support, and a polished experience, you might want to explore other VoIP options. Thanks for watching. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more honest tech reviews.